Good morning, students. Hope you are fine and safe in your home. Well, today we will start our first lesson of science. Lesson number 1, nutrition in plants. Topics to be covered in these lessons are nutrition in plants, mode of nutrition in plants, autotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis in plants, heterotrophic nutrition, saprotrophic nutrition, symbiosis, and replenishment of nutrients in the soil. These are the topics we have to be covered in this lesson. Again, I'm telling nutrition in plants, mode of nutrition in plants, autotrophic nutrition, photosynthesis in plants, heterotrophic nutrition, saprotrophic nutrition, symbiosis, and replenishment of nutrients in the soil. Before entering the details of this lesson, let's recall the different life process that we already studied in 6th classes. The different life process of living things are nutrition, respiration, transportation, excretion, control and coordination, reproduction, growth and development, movement. So first one is nutrition. Nutrition means when we tell about the definition of nutrition, it is a process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth. Process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for growth and development of your body. The process of providing or obtaining the food necessary for health and growth of your body. That is nutrition. It is related to food. Next is respiration. Respiration means breaking of food to release energy. Breaking of food to release energy. We take food, that food is break down to release energy. So breaking of food to release energy is called respiration. Obviously in your mind there is a doubt will come. Is respiration and breathing is same? Not at all. Respiration and breathing is entirely different. Respiration, I already told, breaking down of food to release energy. And breathing means inhaling and exhaling of air. Inhaling means taking inside air and exhaling means giving out air. When which gas will we take inside? We take oxygen inside and give out carbon dioxide. So inhaling and exhaling of air is called breathing, and respiration means breaking down of food to release energy. It's called respiration. Next is transportation. Transportation means food is transported to different parts of your body. We take food and food is break down and that food is transported to different parts of your body. That is called transportation. And next another one is excretion. Excretion means removing out of waste material from your body. Removing of toxic materials means that your body not wanted. The things that your body not wanted. That is called toxic materials. That is removed from your body. That is called excretion. Next one is control and coordination. Control and coordination means proper synchronization between different organs of the body. A proper synchronization is taking place between the different organs of the body. That is called control and coordination. Next one is reproduction. Reproduction, all of you know that what is reproduction? Giving birth to the young ones is called reproduction. A production of species of similar kinds. Production of species of similar kinds. If a particular organism stop reproduction, what will happen? If a particular organism stop reproduction, that species will extinguished. That species will extinguish. Extinguish means that species will disappear from the earth. So reproduction is very important. Next is growth and development. That means overall development of your body. That is growth and development. And next is movement. When we tell about the character of living things, first we said that in smaller classes also we said that all living things move. All living things, that is a character of a living thing. All living things move. I will ask a question. Plant is also a living thing. We are saying that plant is also a living thing, but plants can't move from one place to another. But then also we are saying that plant is a living thing. Why? Plant can't move from one place to another, but the life process are taking place inside the plants. That means they are preparing the food, they respire, they excrete. These are all happening in the plants also. Obviously, plants can move from one place to another, but some parts of the plants can show the movements. Some parts of the plant. So these are the different life process of living things. Okay. Next topic is modes of nutrition. The two modes of nutrition are autotrophic and heterotrophic. What do you mean by autotrophic nutrition? The mode of nutrition in which organisms prepare their own food is called autotrophic nutrition. Example, green plants. Heterotrophic nutrition means mode of nutrition in which organism depend upon another organism for food. That is called heterotrophic. Autotrophic, example, green plants. Why green plants are called autotrophs? Green plants are called autotrophs because green plants prepare their own food. That is why they are called autotrophs. Heterotrophs, human beings and animals are examples for heterotrophs. Why? Because we depend upon other organisms for food. So the two modes of nutrition are autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Very important question. What are the two modes of nutrition and why green plants are called autotrophs? Green plants are called autotrophs because green plants prepare their own food. You have the habit of writing answer when a question asks why green plants are the why. You have a habit of writing answer starting with the because. That is incorrect. Don't start a sentence with a because. So when why, if suppose if a question will come like this, why green plants are called autotrophs? Because don't start with because. Green plants are called autotrophs because they make their own food. Like that, you have to write the answer. The next portion is photosynthesis. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means the process of preparing food by the green plants with the help of sunlight, water, air, and chlorophyll. This process is called photosynthesis. Process of preparing food by the green plants with the help of light, water, air, and chlorophyll. Look at this picture. This plant get light from the sun. Root absorb water from the soil. during photosynthesis, plants are taking carbon dioxide inside. The arrow, you see the arrow? Plants are taking carbon dioxide inside and give out oxygen. So after photosynthesis, what we get? We get glucose and oxygen. Glucose means sugar and oxygen. This is the chemical formula of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, we get glucose and oxygen. It's a very important diagram, and this chemical equation is also very important, and photosynthesis definition is also very important. So the question will ask like this: define photosynthesis, otherwise explain photosynthesis with a diagram. Photosynthesis means the process of preparing food by the green plants with the help of water, sunlight, chlorophyll and air is called photosynthesis, and this is the chemical formula of photosynthesis, and the products that we get after photosynthesis is sugar and oxygen, otherwise glucose and oxygen. So which during photosynthesis plants take carbon dioxide inside and give out oxygen. Plants take carbon dioxide in and give out oxygen. So hope you understood the term photosynthesis, definition, diagram and the formula. So when I told about photosynthesis, I already told that during photosynthesis plants use the chlorophyll. What is this chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment present in the leaves. You all of you know that which the color of the leaf is green in color. Which pigment give the leaf the green color? The chlorophyll give green color to the leaf. So the green pigment present in the leaves is called chlorophyll, and this chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. This is the structure of a chloroplast, and the chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. So what is called chloroplast? Chloroplast is a plastid in green plant cell which contain chlorophyll and in which photosynthesis take place. So don't go through the details of chloroplast. You just remember these 2 points. The green pigment present in the leaves is called the chlorophyll, and the chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. Next portion is stomata. What do you mean by stomata? Stomata are tiny pores that we can see beneath the leaves. Beneath means under the leaf. The definition of stomata means the stomata are tiny pores that we can see beneath the leaf. We cannot see with your eyes. We can see with the help of microscope. And what are the functions of stomata? The functions of stomata helps in exchange of gases. Stomata helps the plants for exchanging of gases and helps in transpiration. Very important question. Define stomata. Otherwise, what is stomata and what are the functions of stomata? Stomata are tiny pores that we can see beneath the leaves, and the functions of stomata are helps in exchange of gases. Helps in exchange of gases means during photosynthesis, plants take carbon dioxide inside and give out oxygen. But the stomata helps in exchange of gases and helps in transpiration. Transpiration means loss of excess water from plants through stomata. Loss of excess water from plants through stomata is called the transpiration. So these are the functions of stomata. So let's recap the topics that we covered today. The topics that we covered today are nutrition, mode of nutrition, photosynthesis, chemical formula of photosynthesis, chlorophyll, chloroplast, stomata, functions of stomata. Hope all of you understood these topics well. Thank you. See you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe.